We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2019 Indian Chief Vintage. This one is in Thunder Black. The white walls look really nice on it. Tons of chrome detailing. We've got the engine guards. Nice floorboards. The leather saddlebags that match the seat with that awesome fringe. Has the 111 cubic inch engine, and also is equipped with ABS. We run on a key fob, so we have a power button. And you're not gonna believe this, but it only has 17 miles. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson. We're located in San Marcos, California, and we are open 6 days a week for test rides.